If your chatbot remembers your secrets, you might be sharing too much. Want to know how much ChatGPT really keeps? Let's find out. First things first, ChatGPT doesn't actually remember your conversations after you close the chat. Each time you start a new session, it's a clean slate. But, and this is big, OpenAI can use conversations to improve its models unless you tell it not to. So what does that mean for you? ChatGPT doesn't have a personal file on you. It doesn't know your name, your secrets, or your cat's birthday unless you mention them, and even then it can't recall them next time. But if you're logged in, your chats can be stored for review or training. Want to keep it private? Head to your settings and turn off chat history and training. This tells OpenAI not to use your conversations to train future models. You can also delete specific chats or your entire history right from your account dashboard. And what about making ChatGPT forget everything? Deleting your account wipes all your stored conversations, poof, gone for good. So, next time you chat, remember you're in control. Keep your secrets safe or just have fun with AI, knowing you can always hit the reset button.